everybody! Today's video is going to be the Halloween tutorial on this very vampy look. Close to Halloween, so I'm trying to do things that you can pick up very quickly for a Halloween party or just throw on like your normal makeup and hair get ready time. So this is just a super simple makeup look that you can put together real quick and feel super vampy as well. So if you would like to see this, just keep watching. I'm starting things off by priming my face with the Tatcha Silk Canvas and just rubbing that all over my face to make everything nice and smooth. And then for foundation, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation, and I'm just blending this in with the Juno & Co. Microfiber Velvet Sponge, which is still going quite well, I might add. I'm really liking it. Nice for full coverage, that's for sure. Now I am just putting on some concealer under my eyes and blending that in with the sponge as well. Alright, now I'm using this crayon eyeliner from Too Faced. It is a bulletproof eyeliner, and this one is in black. And I am placing that all over the lid and then also on the crease of the eye and pulling it out towards the outer corner as well. This is what's going to lay down the foundation so that we have a nice deep and rich base to build upon as well. And once you've laid the base on, of course we can't have harsh lines, so I'm just taking a little precision blending brush and I'm going all around the perimeter of that first shape that I created and just doing small little circles and swiping motions. I'm blending that out so that the color diffuses towards the top of the eyelid. And to continue blending that out, I'm using a black shadow from the Zodiac palette, tapping off any excess with the glitter as well, and then patting that all over the lid, and then continuing to diffuse the color by blending out the eyeshadow on the lid as well. Now I'm going into this gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous, red shade from the Editorial 2.0 Sephora Pro palette. And I'm just using a blending brush and placing that color right above the black line so that we have this complete halo of red all around this huge contrast of the black as well. I'm obsessed with looks that have a red diffused look on the outside. There's just something so beautiful about it. And then we are using a concealer brush along with some concealer and cutting the crease. Now I'm not doing the whole entire thing, just the center of the lid, because this is where I'm going to place some red shadow and then also some glitter in the long run. So now tapping back into that red shade, I'm patting that all over the concealer. And I did not set the concealer before I put this shadow on top because with it not being set, it really grabs on to the red pigment, and that way you can easily have the color show up, but you can also build it up and create a really vibrant shade on top of the lid. Now I am going to blend into the outer corners of the eye using that dark burgundy shade from the Sephora Editorial palette. And that way it's not just red to black on the center of the lid, but it goes from a red to a burgundy and then slowly to the outer corners with the black as well. Now I'm going to continue with the eyes and using that same eyeliner pencil from before, I'm just placing this all along the lower lash line. And using the same shadow from the Zodiac palette, I'm tapping off that excess glitter and then blending out this black shade on the bottom lash line as well. And of course you have to continue the pattern, and using that red shade once more from the Sephora Pro palette, I am connecting the outer corner on the bottom and then just pulling that red shade underneath the black all the way into the inner corner as well. And yes, there's going to be a lot of fallout here, so just make sure that you did bake underneath your eyes and place that loose powder or do your eyeshadow before. And right at this point, I am super frustrated with my eyes. So as I put my lipstick on, which is just this super deep vampy burgundy shade from the Too Faced Melted Matte, I'm going to talk to you about my eyes. The whole problem right here is that I used that eyeliner pencil that I have had for years, and I mean years, and I was like, nah, I'll be okay, and my eyes were watering the entire time. I was so frustrated, like look at me, I'm dabbing my eyes because they just kept running. I had to do my eyes about 3 to 4 times in this tutorial, and I was just frustrated altogether. I wasn't even sure if I was going to post it, so that's why I went out and asked on social media, and everybody was like, yes, go ahead and post it. I had a lot of positive feedback, so I'm putting it together anyways because it's Halloween and I want to share my vampire look with you. So that's exactly what I'm doing. But yes, I was a little frustrated. I'm sorry if you could tell through the video, but I still wanted to share what I did. So right here at the end, I did highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. And then right here, what I am doing is placing some NYX glitter glue over my eyelid. And then I am placing a loose red glitter all over the center of the lid. I love this glitter. It totally makes the look from like just regular vamp to super glamorous vampire. And I am here for it. And also, I forgot to mention, I did go ahead and put some lashes on as well. I know you saw that I put mascara on, but whoo girl, those are not my lashes. I also put some lashes on from Huda Beauty, and those are the Scarlet lashes. Now to create the little drop of blood coming from my mouth, because I just freshly drank some blood from one of my prey, I am just using a Kat Von D lipstick and a small detail brush to draw the shape of the drop coming out of the corner of my lip. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that I could piece this together without having to show you why my eyes a billion times and that you understood everything. But of course, if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this look and you love Halloween tutorials and you are all in it for the vampire looks, also go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, please, please do so. And I will see you in my next video. Love you all so very much, and happy early Halloween. Bye.